Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I brought to you this mouth-watering chin chin that I made on order. It was really nice and they loved it so much, and I decided to make the video to show you how I did it, so keep watching. Over here is my 4.5 kg of all-purpose flour, and in it I added a pinch of salt. I also added 3.5 measuring cups of granulated sugar. If you're not a lover of sugar, you can add lesser than that. I also added half measuring cups of brown sugar. Then I added 1000 grams of butter. You can as well make use of your margarine if you don't have butter. Next, I added 1 measuring spoon of baking powder, 1 measuring spoon of grated nutmeg, and I'll go ahead and mix everything together until they're well incorporated. And after that, I cracked 6 raw eggs. I also added 2 leaves of vanilla flavor into the eggs. Then I added it into the flour mixture. I also added 2 big tins of evaporated milk. I'm gonna keep adding it while I mix it so that it's not gonna be too soft or too thick. So I went ahead to mix everything together until it formed a fine dough. Remember, while I mix, I'll be adding some evaporated milk. In this chin chin, I didn't use water, but you can use a little bit of water if you like. And here we have gotten our desired dough texture. And I'm going to transfer the dough into my work surface now. And I'll divide it into 4 parts with my kitchen knife. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want to transfer it into the refrigerator to sit until the next day, because this is actually late in the night. So after dividing it into 4 parts, I wrapped it into a cling film, then transferred into the refrigerator to sit till the next day. And here is the next day, and I've already brought out some of the dough from the fridge and I've started processing them for my chin chin. As you can see, the one I've cut already in the tray. And here I'm going to roll this dough out very flat. And after that, I'm going to cut it into chin chin shape of my choice. And I'm going to make use of pizza cutter for that. Like I used to say, pizza cutter does this very fast for me. When I didn't know about pizza cutter, I used to make use of kitchen knife to cut my chin chin. And I will spend the whole day in the kitchen. Because of that, if people ask me to make chin chin for them, I will be running away. But ever since I know about this pizza cutter, oh my god, bring your order please. I'm ready to make it. Very easy peasy. Now I'm done cutting this, I'm going to transfer it into the tray as well. And this is time to fry it. I've already transferred my oil into a clean pot and allowed it to heat up. I'm making use of bigger pots this time around because the chin chin is very big and we need something that has enough space for the frying. So here I'm frying it, but you need to be careful not to overcrowd it. If you overcrowd it, it's gonna soak oil and the result is not gonna be good again. I almost overcrowded this, but because I am not a beginner on this, I have my way of navigating it. If not, it would have soaked oil. But please, if you're a beginner, try not to overcrowd it, okay? So the first batch of the chin chin is done. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful, very good. And I'm gonna skip it from the oil with my strainer. This strainer is very good when frying chin chin because it contains a good amount of the chin chin when you're skipping it out. So instead of making use of spoon, make use of this. And you guys, we are done. Our chin chin is ready. Look at that, guys. Isn't it looking good? And the taste was really delicious. It was amazing, guys. And the owners loved it so much. This is actually for 2 families and they loved it so much. So in case you love chin chin but you don't know how to do it for yourself, you can make use of my recipe But in a situation whereby you want it, but you were not able to do it, please contact me. I can help you. So guys, tell me what you think about this chinchin on the comment section. And please let me know where you're watching from. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next one. Bye-bye.